Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for being with me over the years. For the new subscribers or for those who just stumbled on this video, perhaps you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate it if you could please subscribe, like, share my video. Thank you so much. Now this is just a makeup tutorial on a medium skin tone. What I'm doing right now is applying primer, a mesmetic grip primer, to her skin before applying the foundation. This is the foundation. I'm using BEAUTIES foundation. I'm using two different shades. I think Nigeria and Kenya, yes, to get her skin tone, her skin shade rather. This video is pretty much explanatory. What I'm just doing is blending out the foundation. You can see the match. I love this foundation. It's kind of like it's not matte, it's not a matte finish foundation. Now what I just did was to apply lip balm to moisturize her lips just before applying the lipstick, so by the time I'm getting to her lips area, her lip will be moisturized. Now I'm just going ahead with Nuban Beauty concealer to highlight her under eye, forehead, bridge of her nose and chin area. For some reason I'm just led to say this. I know this is 2024, it's a new year, this is still January, and a lot of us are like, some people didn't end 2023 the way they wanted to. Maybe they felt, most of you might have felt God has not come through for you. But I just want you to hold on, because I believe 2024 is a great year. In fact, it was a great year. And everyone should just, press on, trust God, follow the leading of the Spirit. Yes, follow the leading of the Holy Spirit. And I feel that, for some people, God might not have answered your prayer the way you wanted him to answer your prayers, for more or for a bigger whatever you want. Not because he's a wicked God, but maybe because he's looking at your capacity. Maybe he feels that you cannot handle what you are asking for. Yes, you remember, I don't know if you're a Christian and you know the parable of the talents. For some people, for one, he gave 5 talents, another 2 talents, and another 1 talent. He gave each one of them the talent according to their capacity. At least the one with the 5 talents was able to multiply, double it, and the one with the 2 talents was able to double. But the one with the 1 didn't even do anything with it. That's to show that even if he was given more, he would still not do anything with it, because God knew their ability. That's what the person each talent was given to each person according to their ability. So if God cannot trust you with more, if you have not shown yourself trustworthy with the little, whatever you do, make sure you do it well, so that when the opportunity comes, when that platform comes that you have been praying for, that big stage, you'll be prepared for it. I just want to encourage you that wherever you find yourself, make sure you are diligent. Whatever you are doing, do it with all diligence, because you do not know when that destiny helper will come, when that breakthrough will come, when the master will come. Be so good at what you do that when you are not there, people notice your absence. Sometimes God will place opportunities bigger than you that would force you to grow, but you have to be diligent and willing. If it means doing it afraid, do it afraid. I don't know why I was led to say that, but I believe it was for someone out there, and I believe you have caught it. So just hold on to God, trust him, and he'll come through for you. Just keep doing what you are doing. Be diligent. It might be difficult sometimes. You might come out and things are not coming, and you have to do it again. Just keep showing up. Keep showing up. Things will work out for you. I pray God visits you sooner than you expect. God is never late. He's always on time. He's an on-time God. So just trust in him. God will perform signs and wonders through you. Trust me. Okay, so now I'm just going in with the eyeshadow. I'm going in with a dark eyeshadow, not too dark, because I want to use a very dark shade. So this year I'm going to be posting YouTube content back to back. I know I always say that, but this time I'm for real. You'll be seeing me very often because this year we must reach 1,000 subscribers. Yeah. So please, like I said, if you haven't subscribed and are just watching this video, please help me subscribe. Thank you so much. May God bless you as you do so. I just use the white glam pigment in sauce. I love this pigment. Ooh. It goes on any fair skin, medium, dark. It goes. I'm doing the eyebrows now. Now the rave, everyone is doing eyebrows last, as in not last, but before we used to do brows, what do you call it, skin, brows and eyes, but now we do skin, eyes, then brows. And it's even funny enough, this method is even faster. It's faster. Within let me say 1 minute 30 seconds, yes, your eyebrow is done. What I'm just doing right now is highlighting or concealing the brows using her foundation shade. Yes, foundation shade. Even for highlighting the brows, I also use a foundation shade. I didn't use a lighter shade of concealer. I used the same foundation I used on her to highlight the bottom of her eyebrow. Now I'm using the powder, the same powder I used for all over her face. I'm just going ahead to darken the outer part of the eyeshadow. And I'm going in with the wink lashes. I love this lash brand. Lashes makes a whole lot of difference. Just look at both eyes, the eye without the lashes and the one with the lashes. It makes a whole lot of difference. Now I'm just lining her eye using gel eyeliner from Tehila Cosmetics. Everything you see in this video, if you want any, I sell makeup products, you can contact me. I'll put the links to all my social media below in the comment section, in the description box rather. And I'm just lining her lips. I'm using the Hager and Esther eyebrow pomade in the brown shade, the medium shade. I think Nubian. Yes, Nubian. You know, you can use the fact that it's for eyebrow does not mean you can't use it for any other thing. You can still use it to line her eyes. You can use it as an eyeshadow primer. You can use it as a lip liner. Now I'm going in with the Nubian Beauty lip stains, a Nigerian brand. In fact, most of the brands that you've seen here, they're all Nigerian brands. Nigerian brands, in fact, I give them 5 stars. Yes, 5 stars, because they've been trying, and man, their products are very, very good. You can see everything from the foundation, even from the primer, foundation, lashes, pigments, eyeshadow. Now the lip, everything is a hit. When you're doing lip, make sure you blend until you are satisfied. If not, I don't like seeing harsh lines. You blend it out. And I'm going in with blush. This is a V-Beauty blush. It's also a Nigerian brand, you can see. Please clap for us. Clap for us. We are trying. Clap for us. So let me clap. Now I'm going in with the CoverGirl bronzer. This is an American brand, but this particular bronzer it has been discontinued. I'm going ahead. I'm dusting off the setting powder. Now we've baked. It's been quite a while. Just dusting it off and also pressing it into the skin. I'm highlighting her cheekbone, the bridge of her nose, Keep That Glow. This is the Technique highlighter, Technique Cosmetics. Now I'm going ahead to, contour the forehead again. Not that I've not done it before, but I just feel, okay, this is finishing touch. So I'm just going to do touch up any place I feel like, okay, it wasn't good enough. This is what we call principle of reapplication. I learned this from Eden's Glam. She's my mentor, by the way. Now I don't know why, for some reason I just love glossy lips. I think it's like the rave of the moment. I'm so used to glossy lips now when I'm through, I'll look at it and I'm like, no, I don't like these lips, I have to put gloss. And it turned out well. I'm lining the eyes using the Tehila gel liner as well. Now I'm just going into put powder under the under the eyes, using the finishing powder. I'm using MAC mineralized finishing powder, and I think the shade is dark, yes, dark, to in the highlighted part of her face. I'm going ahead to apply mascara to her bottom lashes. This is something, is step you shouldn't miss, except the client has teary eyes, and you can skip this, because some people, as when you touch their eyes, some people don't even want to touch their eye area. If I have such customers, I don't even bother. Now I'm setting it using the luminous spray from Nia Beauty. Yes, Nia Beauty. And voila, this is the finished look. Tell me what you like about this look. You see the lips? I think I prefer the lips like this glossy than when it was matte. You see the look? Beautiful. I love it. Tell me what you think about this video. And if you want more videos like this, let me know. She's so happy about her look. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you for stopping by. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you. See you in my next video.